Alright guys, here we go. Here's my 04cbr600rr. Had two bent exhaust valves were bent. Had to have those replaced, and I had the head totally gone over. Had to pull the motor out, of course, to do all that work. It's got a Jardine pipe. I did my own fender eliminator kit and made that license plate bracket myself. And I got the trickle charger hooked up to it right now. New battery. It was like 90 bucks at AutoZone, sealed. Put Pro grips on it. Some short style levers, adjustable, of course. And then I got some LED lights on the front. I just had it running. I wired them up with some diodes so they were running light and blinker. Had to use some diodes for that. Crank her up. I had her running just a minute ago. Small cooling leak where the thermostat housing bolts to the head had to replace the O-ring. Just did that. About 10 minutes ago. Still got to put the chain on the back of the sprocket. Just need to have that. Turn signals. I also powder coated the fork tubes, the fork legs, whatever. All balls, racing, fork seals, Honda, fork oil, no leaks, really. And that's it.